Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the COVID-19 vaccines. So there are 4 vaccines. First one is Covishield, the second one is Covaxin, third one is Pfizer BioNTech, and the fourth one is Moderna. Okay, so these are the 4 vaccines. So the first one is Covishield. The dose of this Covishield is 0.5 ml, 2 doses, given intramuscular in the deltoid. Efficacy of this vaccine is 70%. Storage temperature is 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. And the special features about this vaccine are: this is a recombinant vaccine, which is viral vector based vaccine. It is manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. Okay, and it is given in age group of 18 years and above. The side effects are headache, nausea, myalgia, arthralgia, vomiting, and pain at the site of injection and injection site induration. The strain used in this vaccine is AHD 1222. The next vaccine is Covaxin, and it is manufactured by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR and NIV. This also given 0.5 ml in 2 doses intramuscularly in the deltoid region. The efficacy of this vaccine is 86 to 96%, and the storage temperature is +2 to +8 degrees centigrade. Some special features are: it is 100% indigenous, it is a whole virion inactivated SARS-CoV-2 vaccine, it is given in 18 years and above, and a special feature about this is vaccine while monitoring is applied in this vaccine. Next one, the side effects are injection site pain, fatigue, fever, body ache, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and cough. And the strain used in this vaccine is NIV 2020770. Okay, so the next one is Pfizer BioNTech. It is developed by Pfizer BioNTech. The generic name is Tozinameran. The dose of this vaccine is 0.3 ml, 2 doses intramuscularly given in the deltoid region. The efficacy of this vaccine is 95%, and the storage temperature is -80 to -60 degrees centigrade. And this vaccine is transferred in a frozen form, and it should be given within 6 hours after thawing, and this should not be refrozen again. This vaccine should not be refrozen again. It is an mRNA based vaccine, and the special feature about this vaccine is a diluent is used here, 0.9% sodium chloride, and it is given 16 years and above people. Common side effects are injection site pain, tiredness, headache, muscle pain, chills, joint pain, fever, nausea, and lymphadenopathy. The strain used here is BNT 162B2. Then the next vaccine is Moderna, and it is developed by Moderna in collaboration with NIAID and Barna. The dose of this vaccine is 0.5 ml, 2 doses. It is given intramuscularly in the deltoid region. The efficacy of this vaccine is 94.5%. It is stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. It is an mRNA based vaccine. It is given 18 years and above people. The special side effects for this vaccine are Bell's palsy and facial swelling, and common side effects are pain at the site of injection, chills, joint pain, nausea, vomiting, tiredness, and fever. And the strain of this vaccine is mRNA 1273. Now some important points regarding this vaccination of COVID-19. If some other vaccines are need to be given, then they must be given 14 days apart. And regarding the interchangeability, of vaccines, so interchangeability is not advised. That means if the first dose of Covishield is taken, then the second dose must be of Covishield. This can't be interchanged with Covaxin. Okay, so interchangeability is not advised. That means if first dose is taken with Covishield, then the next dose has to be of Covishield and not of Covaxin or any other vaccine. Okay, and after immunization, observation period. So after immunization, observation period is 30 minutes. So after immunization observation period is 30 minutes. Okay, so this was all about the COVID-19 vaccines. Thank you.